Hey everyone! Today, I'm really excited to walk you through the latest August update for OxygenOS. We're going to see what's new and how these features, and hit that install button together. So, let's dive right in. Now that the update is complete, let's check out the fresh tweaks. The first thing I noticed is in the status bar. OxygenOS has added a neat feature in the settings under notifications. There's a new option here, Show Media Playback Info in the status bar. This is really handy if you're like me, and always have music or podcasts running in the background. Look at this when I start the stopwatch. The notification in the status bar updates dynamically. And the best part? You can tap it to jump straight into the app. It's small details like these that make a big difference in everyday use for any music playback. Basically, I have shown a stopwatch, but you can use for other background running music or timer for Swiggy Zomato. Next up is a handy update for all the screenshot lovers out there. With this update, when you take a scroll screenshot, the notifications disappear, giving you a clean, uninterrupted capture. It's thoughtful touches that keep things smooth and clutter-free. Just look how amazing it do not show notification pop-up or anything. Of course, with every update, we also get the latest security patch. Here, you can see we're up to date with the August patch, keeping everything secure and running efficiently. And this at least helps to have important minor changes to OxygenOS. So, that's it for today's quick walkthrough of the August update. It's always fun to see what's new under the hood. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more updates and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.